We often trust that the healthcare system is precise, but underneath the surgeries and the diagnosis, there's a massive data problem that is quietly costing us billions. In the US alone, billing and coding errors result in an estimated $68 billion annual loss. In the UK, the Audit Commission has estimated that the NHS loses up to £1 billion a year in inaccurate payments. The cause? Clinical coding. Clinical coding is a translation of medical notes into standardized codes like ICD 10. While we usually think of it as just admin work for billing, it is actually the foundation for hospital funding, epidemiology, and how we allocate resources. The problem is that we are currently stuck between two bad options. On one hand, manual coding is slow, expensive, and inconsistent. Humans just can't keep up with the volume. On the other hand, current AI solutions act like black boxes. They might give you the right code, but they can't tell you why they chose it. In a hospital, if you can't explain a decision, you cannot trust it. This is where our work comes in. We built a transparent pipeline designed to bridge this gap. Rather than jumping straight to a prediction, our model first extracts evidence bands. This is the specific text in the doctor's note that justifies the code. So let's see this in action. If we run our code, we can see that first evidence spans are highlighted: acute kidney failure and tubular necrosis. After evidence span is identified, it goes to a prediction model and N17.0 is predicted. After that, it goes through a verification layer, and finally, we get our codes. So this transparency, it unlocks two capabilities. First, it gives us accurate, explainable predictions to automate the workload. But second, and perhaps most importantly, it acts as an error auditor. We can run this over historical hospital data to flag inconsistencies and clean up the medical records that the researchers rely on. So, we aren't just automating a task, we are building a safety net for healthcare data. Thank you.